Our annual word explosion is back, bigger and better. This year we have the following speakers. Our very own presiding bishop of Grace Bible Church, Bishop Mosa Sono. Our spiritual fathers, Pastor McCauley of Rhema Bible Church, and Dr. Elijah Maswanganyi. Amen, usekhona, Dr. Gumbi of Assemblies of God in Standerton, Bishop Tshalo Katshunga from Gospel Ramah Church, Prophet Ralekholela of Gospel Fire Ministries International, and returning this year is Pastor Thandanani Savhasa. Last but definitely not least, we have Apostle Jethro Malindzisa from Swaziland.